Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going on a delightful journey along the riverbank with our friend Mole from The Wind in the Willows. Get ready for a day full of surprises and new friendships. It all starts in spring, when Mole decides he's had enough of spring cleaning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and Mole can't wait to be outside. Mole scrambles through the woods and stumbles upon something wonderful, a broad river, sparkling in the sunlight. He's never seen anything so magnificent. By the river, Mole meets a friendly water rat named Ratty, who loves the river more than anything. Ratty invites Mole to join him for a boat ride, and Mole excitedly agrees. Together, they spend a splendid day floating along the river, sharing stories and a delicious picnic. Mole feels the joy of friendship and the beauty of the world around him. As the sun sets over the river, Mole knows he's found a wonderful new friend and can't wait for more adventures. And that, little friends, is just the beginning of Mole's adventures in the wild.